Oh, hey everybody, it's Cami with Coast DIY Barb. I hit the button before I was ready. Sorry about that. I am, Miss Barbara Joy's in here with me too, in the process of working on some new things. Hang on, I'm trying to see if I can see some stuff. If you're on, tell me, because, oh, okay, good. I'm starting to see some stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys a really quick new kit that we came up. We had a request for an amazing rainbow kit. Oh, what happened to my filter? Y'all, sorry. Okay, there we go. So we have put a kit together for the 6x6 canvas to make a rainbow pour. And as you can imagine, it takes a lot of color to make a rainbow pour. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to do our rainbow pour. We've got the kits, everything's ready. We're only boxing like what, Barb, like 4 or 5?
Right.
We're not gonna make a ton. Come say hi.
Yeah. Hello, Facebook land.
So we are, we've already had some folks in, so thanks. Everybody's being awesome about social distancing, except for Theo got a hold of the gnome. Theo didn't get it. Oh, hey, we got some walk-ins. So we are live, so say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna ignore you guys while I'm doing a quick pour. All right, so in this one, we're actually gonna give you guys some gloves because I think it's gonna be a little super extra sloppy. If you watched my video yesterday, it's gonna be very similar. So we've got 8 colors. We've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, turquoise, because I think that is gonna make a huge difference over what we don't have in here. I did a little bit darker red, and then I've got a white. And then of course you're gonna get your silicone oil in the little container. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop all of these open. And the first thing you're gonna do, which I'm not gonna do today because I just made the paint, you're going to mix them up. Actually, there's one that's been sitting overnight. So I'll show you. All you're gonna do is open it up and just give it a gentle stir to make sure everything is together. And then I'm gonna open up all of these lids. What you wanna do is you wanna choose which colors you're gonna put your silicone oil in. I suggest no more than half. I think it makes for a good mixture. If you've got some that has it and some that don't. And then I also suggest sorry, I'm getting messages, so I'm trying to multitask. Don't put the silicone in your white. That's my tip, because you want the white to be heavier, and this lightens up the weight. So all of you science nerds out there, here's a test for you. All of my kids that are at home that are into science and art, somebody do some experiments and explain paint pouring to me and how all of the weights and how can you predict what's gonna happen. I think that would be a really cool science project that people can do. All right, you get your cup, and I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna put some of my oil in some of my colors. If you remember from yesterday, or if you didn't, I'll tell you. You're gonna take a clean popsicle stick and you're just gonna dip it into the oil. You're gonna get enough, and you're gonna mix it in thoroughly. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do 4 colors really quick. And I'm gonna try to do colors that are different. Wanna come pour with me, Nancy? All right, so I'm gonna do red and yellow because those are bright. And one's darker and one's lighter. I'm not gonna do my white. I think I won't do the orange because that, I've got no logic to that other than I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do blue. We're doing rainbow kits, right? Isn't that pretty?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. And just showing folks how real quick to put in a little bit of silicone. into 4 of the colors. It's in the little container. You just dip. And I'm gonna go turquoise. There is no rhyme or reason about what color I'm putting them in. You could put them in all dark colors, all light colors. You could put it in the white. I just think that not doing that is... White we know has titanium in it, so we know it's heavier. So, okay. All right, you guys. So now we're gonna pour our cup, right? We're gonna fill it up. And there's no real rhyme or reason again, so I'm just gonna start and I'm gonna put white in between a couple of the layers. Let me see if I can do this so you can see it. I'm gonna try and just go right down the side. Throw white in every now and then. And I'm just gonna go a rainbow color. And I'm actually not even using it all. If you've got some extra canvases at home, you could probably get another pour out of this paint. And then, oh, watch that for just a second. I don't know if you can see it really well. Hang on, Hey, Barb, will you come do me a favor?
Yes.
I have my gloves on. Will you touch the screen right where the cup is to try to get it to focus on the cup? Okay.
Which one?
I don't know. Okay.
Doesn't appear to.
Well, so wait.
I don't have the magic fingers. I'm sorry.
So what I wanted you to see, because it was looking a little bright, is the white just mostly slid down the cup and under the color. So that's how you know it's heavier. Do a little purple. My cup is getting really full, so I'm having to tip it up. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of white on the top. Okay. So you can, that is like the coolest cup ever. Look, rainbow cup. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a used cup at home. Okay. Is everything stuck to the table from yesterday? Okay, welcome to our lives. So, I'm gonna clean it up, yep. Yeah, that'll work. You don't want it to stretch the canvas too much, but you want it to stay up on there. Okay, so we're gonna flip. We're gonna turn it this way, you guys remember, and then flip it. The comments are kinda, I feel like I'm in a good spot.
Mm-hmm.
Ah. Let's do,
Need some more cups.
we're gonna need some more cups. It's a lot of paint.
I can do that.
So while I'm sitting here and Barbara Joy's getting me some cups, this is actually what's happening in the cup is all of the paint is dropping from the bottom to the canvas and it's dropping through each other. And that's what creates the holes. So at home, we'll add a couple cups to the kit so that you don't need to have anything. So it's all in. Okay, there you go. I think you can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it. All you do is pull it. I think you see some people doing some fancy things, but I just lift it up. Nothing too fancy. I have a risk. I'm gonna tell you now, if it lands in my lap, it could land in my lap. I'm really close to the edge of the table. Okay, 1, 2, bloop. Awesome. Okay, and so you can start to see the colors popping up through. I'm gonna let it sit for just a little bit. And then now what I'm gonna do, it's kind of stopped doing its fast motion. I wanna make sure I cover my corners. So if you just dip to each corner, you will be good to go. So I'm gonna move pretty quick. I'm gonna move this way so we don't have a ridiculous thing on Facebook. And that's it. They're gonna all look different. I think I do like the turquoise. And I think you guys, so this red is the darker red that I went with for the kits. I think I might try to find you guys some brighter red. I think it will, I kind of like that red. So maybe we'll give you an option when you come in dark red or light red. That'll be a choice. But that's it. It's still moving if you watch this for a while. So again, when you do your pours, if you're doing them with the kids, I want you to sit and watch them for a while because they continue to change. This is continuing to move and looking awesome. So that's it. You're gonna let it dry. This dried in 24 hours, so I think you're gonna be fine. What you're gonna get your canvas, you're gonna get 8 pots of color. Look, I still have a half a blue left. So if you've got some canvases at home, or you can like, when you're in here, we've got like some $2 turtles. Grab the turtles for goodness sake, and you can throw it on a turtle. There's plenty to do, a lot. Hi guys, we got people walking in, so I'll hurry up. You're gonna get everything that you need, including a pair, oh, turtle. So you can do one of these for $2, add on to the kit.
Or your pet rocks.
Or your pet rocks. Dang it, go outside and pick up a rock and put it in some paint. So you'll have everything. I'm gonna add in some cups so that this is a little bit easier for you guys to, just like this is standing up and you've got your paint and everything. So I think we're good. They're gonna be $20 and we've got about 4 or 5 made up. And we'll see how they go. If we start to get a lot of interest in them, we'll make some more, all right? Thanks you guys for watching. I'm gonna go help some folks, and if you have any questions, as always, let us know. Talk to you soon, bye.